Welcome to a tantalizing journey through the culinary world. Today, a dish awaits that's sure to ignite your senses and awaken your taste buds. Picture this: a perfectly roasted chicken, marinated in a spicy, tangy, and absolutely mouth-watering peri peri sauce. Yes, you've guessed it. We're making the famous Nando's Peri Peri chicken. Begin with a whole chicken. Make sure it's fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Now it's time to marinate. But first, let's craft that iconic peri peri sauce. Gather bird eye chilies, bell peppers, garlic, lemon, onion, paprika, oregano, and olive oil. Blend these ingredients together until you obtain a smooth, fiery red paste. This is the heart of your dish, the peri peri sauce. Next, cover the chicken with this zesty marinade. Make sure to rub it all over and let it seep into every crevice, every nook and cranny. This is not a process to rush. The longer the chicken bathes in this spicy concoction, the more intense the flavors become. Ideally, leave it overnight in the fridge to truly absorb the essence of peri peri. The next day, preheat your oven to a cozy 180 degrees Celsius. Place your marinated masterpiece on a roasting tray and slide it into the oven. This is where the magic happens. The heat slowly permeates through the chicken, cooking it to perfection while sealing in the flavors of the peri peri sauce. After about an hour, the aroma wafting from the oven will be irresistible, but patience is key here. Give it a bit more time until the skin turns a beautiful golden brown and the chicken is cooked through. Now, pull it out of the oven and behold the gastronomic wonder you've created. The Nando's Peri Peri chicken, a dish that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. But remember, the secret to a great peri peri chicken lies in the marinade. The quality of your ingredients and the time the chicken spends soaking in the sauce are crucial. Also, ensure the chicken is cooked at the right temperature for the perfect amount of time to achieve that juicy, tender texture. So, there you have it. A simple yet flavorful dish that's sure to impress at your next dinner party. The Nando's Peri Peri chicken, a fiery delight that promises an explosion of flavors with every bite.